Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 71 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The long video is covering many markets. You will see me introducing them. I think it is time for taking action. I think all those who had any hesitation about the stock market are seeing that my projection several weeks ago when I said the stock market is going high. I'm very bullish. If you don't believe me, just check on my Twitter page. I kept telling you this is the time to get involved, and I think that this projection is coming, is being confirmed by Mr. Market. We have seen recently the Dow Transportation Average shooting into an all-time high and basically in uncharted territory. And we only need the Dow Jones Industrial Average to do the same in order to get the Dow theory basically be behind us, supporting the bull 100%. We have seen many other markets roaring up, some from very low levels, some actually hitting new highs like the S&P 400 in the US. So this is a situation where you want to get involved. You want to know what's happening, because the trends that are now underway would last for months to come. It's not too late to get in. I'm providing you with ample detailed analysis in my long videos. If you're interested, I'll be talking to you again after the clip ends. Hope you enjoy the clip. Have a great trading week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Swiss franc, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, gold, silver, high grade copper, platinum, palladium, the euro charts, the euro bond, TYX, the USD bond, the TLT, Dow Transportation Average, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the Nasdaq, the DAX, the CAC 40 of France, the FTSE of the UK, IBEX 35 of Spain, Italy's MIB, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the stock quoted in Italy called ENEL. This is the TYX. That's the chart of the rates themselves, the 30-year T-bond interest rate. That's a daily scale. Now it is important, if you are interested in the bonds, I hope I'm going to communicate clearly what I have in mind here, because it's really important. It governs the horizon for the next 6 to 12 months. So let's see. You see the chart here is showing you a potential of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. The implication is that we are now in a gigantic fourth wave. We're talking a scale of 6 to 12 months. It is quite possible that if rates do not take off soon, we will end up in a fourth wave here. So although I am showing you a 1, 2, and I am working with the assumption that we hit the bottom here, it is possible I'm wrong, and we will not have confirmation of a major bull run in rates not until we run above this level. You see the corresponding level of the 1 around here at around 3.8, 4, 3.7, yes, around this level. Not until we have this can we be sure that we left behind an historic bottom. Because if we get anything like that, this is corresponding to the fourth wave. This fourth wave corresponding to the second wave that you see here. So we have to exercise some caution here, exercise some patience. It might take more than just 6 months. This could drag on, and eventually will go down in an ultimate stage of panic here towards 2.4, and only then take off. But I'm just sharing with you these thoughts. I think that there is a good chance that we hit the bottom here. I am leaning in this direction. I think this is more likely, and that's the way I analyze it. Let's now take a look at see, that's my thinking, is that this is 1, and that's not going to be a surprise to you, because you have seen it in other charts. You'll see it again now. That's 1, that's 2. We came up, we have 1, and now we are correcting. That's exactly what I've shown you in the case of the euro bond as well. We are correcting now, and that is a situation where it could go to 2.9. We have convergence of the 50 and the 200 moving average, solid rock support in my opinion, and it's likely to send it higher. Now this is an Italian stock that I mentioned in the past called ENEL. Okay, ENEL. It's quoted in Milano. That's the monthly scale going back to 2001. I've got it running up to there, and this is a situation where I think you want to take another look if you're interested to invest in solid Italian stocks. I am invested in this stock, and I'm seeing some nice profits, and I think it's possible there is a buying opportunity now, because it corrected something like 6-7% in the last week. And if I'm getting it right, it could be an opportunity for you to get in. This is let's go now. You can see what happened. We had we had a support line right here. It climbed above support. It's challenging the overhead resistance here. It will climb a lot higher, along with all the other Italian stocks over the next few years. I think it will rally back to challenge 5, and somewhere down the road, maybe with a depreciated euro currency, rally above 7.5. But right now, let's go step by step. Let's go to the weekly. That's the bottom, just above 2. I take this as 1. That's 2. We're in a third wave, and you see what happened. This week it rallied down back to this supporting line, very, very important supporting line, and it's showing a point. It's correcting, giving us a correction of the third wave here. Sorry. There is a huge overhead resistance here, but that's not going to stand in this way in the long run, and that's the next level. Let's have a look now at the daily. That's 1, that's 2, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. I think the third ended here, and that's the correction. So do take a look. There could be something interesting here for you. That's the 0.382, this line, 0.382 of the correction. If you get further slide, I mean, the idea, it shouldn't go under this level, yeah? It shouldn't test the level of the 1, yeah? Otherwise, I got something wrong here, and I have to come back and revise that. But all in all, I stay very bullish about this. I am invested in this. I see some nice profits. I'm not going to budge even if it goes to a break-even spot for me. No, I am going to stay invested. I invested for the long term. I'm not going to be thrown out because of 2 or 3 weeks downtrend. There is also good dividend on this stock. You get some good dividend. I think all in all, it's a utility stock. Yes, it's electricity company, and really deserves further study in my opinion. Any rally back, you see it fell from 3.3 to 3.1, pretty substantial drop in 1 week. Could be a good opportunity to get in now. If you are hesitant, wait for it to jump back to 320. I think a jump back to 320 will most likely suggest that we have seen the bottom of the fourth wave, and it might continue to hang around here for a while, maybe coming back to touch this line before it's ready to take off on the fifth leg. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R and Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. Pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many, many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential. And that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. Like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, money bookers, Alert Pay, choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these 2 addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.